Hey guys, welcome to the Helpful Homeowner. Today we're looking at the Ikea Besta wall unit. So we had this dead space in the corner of our bedroom, which we thought would be ideal for storage. So rather than hire a carpenter, we thought we'd attempt to fit something ourselves. It just so happened that we came across the Ikea Besta units at our local Ikea showroom. What's great about these is they come in a wide range of colours, so we managed to perfectly match them to our bedroom furniture. I must just add, these don't come with the mirrors on the front. That's something that we've customised. These units will test your DIY skills as they are self-assembly, and they're heavy too, so I'd just recommend that you have a second person helping you install them. Also, just make sure you research which wall fixings suit your wall type for these units. We're very satisfied with the amount of storage space we've gained by installing these. As you can see, there's several deep shelves that we've managed to fill. They're also very robust units. We've had them up for 2 years now, and they're still as good as new. We've had no problems with them. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like or subscribe, as that goes towards helping the channel, and I'll see you next time.